Design is all about making dreams and ideas come true. To be a designer means that you have to think about every single step in the entire process. The J55 Prime has made me more creative. If I'm trying something on the computer or in a sketch, it is different when you hold it in your hands. With full color models, we can see much more than you can see out of a render. You can hold it, you can feel the different textures. Throughout the process, we use it as a communication tool between us and the client.
Changing from single color to a multicolor printer was a game changer. And today, unlike in the past, we can print and simulate prototypes in 500,000 colors.
The client can hold in his hand the product that we're working on, different type of textures that he could have, multiple material all together, soft materials, clear materials, flexible materials to simulate buttons. Well, the variety that I can simulate helps to present it better to the client. I can show things that would not see usually until the end product.
Having the ability to print the prototype inside the studio saves a lot of time for us in the product development and for the customer for the go-to-market.
It's something in your arsenal to make your work better, to make your work faster. The printer sits right next to us. It's quiet, it does its job, it's a part of the team.